to my success, I have created the best robot ever dreamt possible. Ready? And on!
Rah!
It's not my creation! Attacking me! Help! Help!
Turned off. Rah. Ah.
Yeah, usually you have to click the side button a couple times.
Where's the side button?
Click. Click right there.
Rah.
Ow! Help me! My creation's gone mad!
This is on purpose.
Yeah. I'm dead! Oh my God! My name isn't Jeffrey. It's supposed to be Amanda. Don't die. Don't die. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Don't let go! Don't let go! I'm plunging! Blah, blah, plunging into the water! I'm dying! Plunging! Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. I'm alive again! Blah, 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 blah. I'm dying again! This is so stupid. Yeah. They're trying to get off the bunk bed.
I'm stuck. Really. I'm falling.
It's not gonna break, just jump.
I don't want to jump.
I can jump. Oh my God. What? How is this scary?
I'm just going to climb down the ladder, okay? I don't know how.
You're dumber than a tree frog. I'm falling down the ladder. See, ladders are dangerous too.
That's exactly why I do not climb down here.
It's not that far of a jump.
Yes, it is. Look at that.
Fine, then film me jumping down. See if I get hurt. Fine, do that.
Okay, fine. Here, go. Let's see you jump down off that.
Okay.
Like 5 feet for crying out loud.
It's not 5 feet.
Yes, it is.
Oh my God, wimp.
See, aren't you scared?
No, I don't. Okay, I can't do it.
Okay, well.
No, I can do it.
Okay, then jump. This is exactly why I do not fall off.
It doesn't hurt. Come on. I totally faked it.
Look at this. It's gonna fall.
No, it's not. It's just that way because we lost one bolt when we were building it. It doesn't make it back. Fine then, wimp. Wimpy ladder. Wimp.